It smells so good. Oh, what is this? Hi gorgeous, I have here the biggest Body Shop advent calendar. This one is the ultimate advent calendar. The price of it is £140. With this one you can save £64 and I'm very curious to see what products we have. Door number 1 also has a pop-up design. It is super cute. This one sounds like a full-size shower gel. Alright, this is the British Rose Shower Gel. We have 250 milliliters. This is the full size of the Body Shop products. We have this scent in all of the advent calendars this year by the Body Shop. And let's continue with door number 2. Okay, this is a lip balm for sure. Oh no, I'm wrong. This one is the Sumptuous Cleansing Butter in chamomile. It is suitable for sensitive skin and we have 20 milliliters. This one has a very light scent. You can use this to wash your face. And door number 3 here, I'm gonna say a shower cream, a full size. Oh, this one is the Vitamin E Hydrating Toner and you can use this for all skin types. I didn't know they had toners. I have never tried it before, so I'm very happy to get it. Door number 4. Oh, it's very lightweight. I'm gonna say a lipstick. What is that? It looks like a sponge? Is this to exfoliate your face? I'm not sure. I'm gonna find the name and put it here. So it looks like this. Moving on to day number 5. I'm gonna say a shampoo. A banana shampoo because we always get those. Nope, it's not. This one is the Vitamin E Gentle Facial Wash with Raspberry Seed Oil. You can use this for all skin types. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite products by the brand. Door number 6. It smells very fresh. Maybe it is a body scrub? This is the Shea Shower Cream and we have 60 milliliters. I love the scent of this one. It's a great product for dry and sensitive skin. I would prefer if it was a full size. Door number 7. Okay, it is a lip balm. Yeah, how do we open it? And it is ta-da! This one is the lip butter in coconut and this is so nourishing for the lips. Also the scent is so delicious. Door number 8 here. Is this a bath bomb? What is this? This one looks like a sponge again. It is made by 100% polyester. I don't have any more information. It is like a small pillow. I will find the name and put it here. Door number 9. I'm gonna say banana shampoo again. I'm wrong again. This one is the Berry Bath Blend. It is a hydrating bath foam with strawberry seed oil. Oh my god, we need to sniff this. It smells so good. I want to go and take a bath right now with this one. So good. Door number 10. A lip balm? Nope. This one is the Chinese Ginseng and Rice Clarifying Polishing Mask. We have a mini product. It contains 15 milliliters. I have never tried this specific mask. My favorite is the coffee and chocolate. Something with coffee. That one is super delicious. So let's sniff this. Oh, it smells very ginseng. Yeah, it smells very fresh. Door number 11. Yeah, this is definitely a sheet mask. I'm right. So this one is the Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. You can use it for all skin types. This one is very hydrating. I recommend it definitely for dry skin. Up next, day number 12. This sounds weird. Maybe it is a face scrub. We have here the Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. This one is for dull, tired and grumpy skin. I love the packaging of this one. It is very elegant. Oh, it has a gel-like consistency. It smells like oranges and a little bit like medicine. This one contains 50 milliliters. It is a full size. Door number 13. It sounds like a shampoo, conditioner, shower cream or shower gel. I'm gonna say a shower gel. Oh, what is this? This one is the Mango Body Mist. It is a refreshing fragrance. Also, it is vegan. We have 100 milliliters and I'm super curious to sniff this. It smells nice. It's not that artificial scent of mangoes. And we have a glass bottle. Here we have day number 14. It is fully packed. It almost doesn't move. I have no clue for this one. Yeah, I wouldn't have found this one. This is the Shea shampoo for dry to very dry hair that are prone to breakage. This is for intense repair with vegan silk protein, and it is a full size. It smells so nice and I will definitely use it on my hair. We also have a lot of product. Day number 15. This is very lightweight for a lip balm. Maybe a sharpener. Oh, it is a lip balm. This is a pink grapefruit lip butter. We have 10 milliliters. This is the full size of the product. After that, day number 16. I'm gonna say a makeup remover. This is the Shea conditioner for dry to very dry hair. It also contains vegan silk protein and it can provide intense repair. I'm super excited to have this one as well. I will definitely use it with the shampoo. Moving on to day number 17. I'm gonna say a mini face mask. Nope, this one is the British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. This one is the mini size. It contains 50 milliliters. Day number 18 here. I'm gonna say a liquid lipstick because they also have makeup products. It's not. This is the mango hand cream with mango seed oil from India. This one contains 30 milliliters. It is the full size. I'm curious if we're gonna find any makeup products in this advent calendar. Last year we had with the big one. Up next, door number 19. We also have a pop-up design on this one. It's very heavy. I'm gonna say a full size of the coffee face mask. Oh, yeah, I was not even close. This one is the mango body yogurt. Let's smell this. Oh my god, it smells so nice. And you know, I don't like mango so much. It's so good. I have tried the body yogurt again in the scent almond milk and honey. This one has a lightweight formula. It is fast absorbing. It is not as hydrating as the body butters, so keep that in mind. If you don't have very dry skin, the body yogurt can work for you. Door number 20. This one sounds again like a lip balm. Oh, it's not. We have here the British Rose Petal Soft Hand Cream. This is a full size as well. Let's go to day 21. Yeah, I think it is a lip balm. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. And we have 15 milliliters. You can use it 5 to 6 times. I have already tried this one. It smells so fresh and it is setting on the skin. After you rinse it off, you're gonna have the softest skin ever. Door number 22 sounds like a shower gel. What is it? This one is the Shea Body Lotion for very dry skin. It can provide 72 hours moisture. I have tried the body lotion in coconut and it was great. The packaging is super pretty and soft. Okay. You know the drill, sniffing test. It smells so nice. This one is a full size. We have 200 milliliters. 23 is a sheet mask. Yes. Then we have here the Youth Concentrate Sheet Mask with 3 plant stem cells. This is for instant hydration. After 15 minutes, skin looks fresher, bouncier and healthier. This one is a biodegradable sheet mask. It doesn't say if it is for all skin types, but I'm guessing that it is. And day 24. It sounds like a mini shower cream. We have here the Drops of Youth Concentrate. It is enriched with Edelweiss stem cells and antioxidants. We have 30 milliliters. I'm not sure what it is. Most probably a serum. Yeah, it looks like a serum. The packaging is very scientific. It looks like a chemist bottle or vial. Oh, it smells very fresh. I like the bottle. Let's continue with day number 25. It sounds like powder. It's not powder. Oh, that was the powder. Impostors. This is the Avocado Body Butter for dry skin. With this one you can have 96 hours of nourishing moisture. And this one is the full size. We also had it in the medium size of Advent Calendar. You know what I mean. Good stuff. For this Advent Calendar, I am between 4.5 stars and 5 stars. Just because I would prefer to have in this one some makeup products as well. So let me know in the comments how many stars you are giving to this Advent Calendar. And you can watch next the Yes Style Advent Calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!